Ensure your vehicle is out of direct sunlight, in a garage or shady area. Start from the lowest point of the crack slowly and smoothly inject the resin into the crack. Never leave any air pockets in the crack, as this will affect the end result. Check the damage at a 45-degree angle to ensure the crack is completely clear. To help this process, heat may be used using a hairdryer or cigarette lighter to expand the glass. Apply more resin onto the repaired crack and cover with the curing strips, overlapping them if necessary. Do not apply any pressure to the windscreen, as this may force air back into the crack. Then, expose to direct sunlight for 10 minutes. Remove the curing strip and then scrape away the hardened excess resin with the razor blade provided. Your permanent repair is now complete.